So today we will discuss about the nomenclature and structure of viroid. In the previous video we have discussed about some important feature and the historical background of viroid. So let's start about the nomenclature. So viroid is a group, and in that group there is family, and under family there is some subfamily, and under subfamily there is genus. So we will remember these three. There are actually two family of viroid. One is Pospi viroidi and second is the Absan viroidi. Now you remember, you just take the observation why this is named as Pospi, why this is named as Absan, because of the potato spindle tuber, and here is the Absan, why avocado sun blotch. So that's why they are named like that. And under the Pospi viroidi there is three subfamily. One is Pospi viroini, second one is the Abska viroini, and third one is the Cole viroini. And under the subfamily of Pospi viroini there are three genus, and again you look at the naming. Why this is named as the Pospi? Because of the potato spindle tuber. Why this is named as the Abska? Because of the apple scar skin. Why this is named as the Coleolus brumelia viroid 1. So we will talk about the all detail. So the genus under Pospi viroini is, there are three genus. One is Pospi viroid, second one is the Hostu viroid, and third one is the cockad viroid. The one example of Pospi viroid is the potato spindle tuber viroid, and one is the important example of Hostu viroid is the Hopstand HSVD, and one is the important of the cockad viroid is the coconut cadang CCC viroid. So now under the subfamily of Abska viroini there is one genus Abska viroid, and under the Coleo viroini there is again one genus Cole viroid. There is no subfamily of Absan viroidi, but has the two genus Absan viroid, and one is the Pelamo viroid. One important example of Absan viroid is avocado Absan. You can see from here Absan, avocado sun blotch ASBVD. And one important example of Pelamo viroid is PE for the peach, La for the latent, and Mo for the mosaic. That means Pelamo peach, latent, mosaic viroid. Important example of the Absan viroid is the apple scar. Ap for apple, SC for scar. Apple scar skin. So you can see ASSVD. It is written like that. And one important example of Coli viroid is Coleus Blumei 1, that's written as the CBVD1. So now we will talk about the viroid structure. So according to the structure, viroid is divided into two groups. One is self-cleaving and another is non-self-cleaving. Remember, I have told that viroid has the closed circular RNA, but in some portion there should be the complementary part. So that's why they can form bond, and that's why they cannot be pure circle. Instead of that, they changed into special circle like that. So here is the bonding, due to the complement. So they are not like circle structure. That's why they are called as a CCC RNA. covalent bond is there, so that's what called they are covalently closed circular RNA. And in case of non-cleaving viroid, because of this CCC, there is 5 domain, and those domain are named as 1 terminal left. Suppose this is the terminal left. Second is the terminal right. Suppose this is the terminal right. Third one is the central. Suppose this is the central portion. Fourth one is the pathogenicity. Fifth one is the variable. So this is the viroid structure. So now we will talk about the schematic diagram of the viroid. There is 3 schematic diagram. I have mentioned that the viroid structure is actually looks like this. Due to the covalent bonds. So it is simple rod like structure. So this is another one example of schematic diagram, and this rod like structure is seen in POSP-VDD. If there is the branch, this branch is called as the quasi rod like structure, and this is found in the Abson-VDD. So this is the quasi rod like structure. But when there is more complex structure like so this is a complex structure, and this is another kind of viroid structure, and this is called as the complex branching like structure, and this is found in the pitch latent mosaic virus. That means in the genus of Viroid. In this genus, this kind of complex branching structure is seen. So that's for today. In the next day we will discuss about what is the origin of the viroid.